Tinsmiths and steel workers were in demand far across the ocean in America's land. He had a family that he couldn't fail, set up on his own from old country roads. One more well steel workers standing in line, work every moment, save every dime. Send your wife or your pay in the mail. Come love, bring the children from old country Wales. Leaving your homelands and leaving your heart, and families and loved ones should not be apart. All of your home and your life prevails. Strength of your soul is in old country Wales. Something like that. Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you, a bit more Celtic music from a band called, just get this right, Dulahan. Hope that's the right pronunciation. I think they're Irish, okay, and it's from the album they made called The Blink of an Eye, and it's a song called the Old Country Wales, okay. So I'm in standard tuning apart from the bottom E string. I'm actually in drop D tuning. So this bottom E string has to be dropped down, loosened off until it sounds like your D string. Okay, and then you're in drop D, just that one string, drop D tuning. You don't have to do it, but if you want to sound like the actual record, that's what they're playing in, I believe. Okay, so it starts off with just basically hit the bottom E string and just strum. Yeah. Just hit it on the first note of the bar, sort of thing. That sort of thing. And it starts the singing, and basically it's a progression on the D chord. So it's a D, so you open 4 strings, strum, and lower the bass note to the 5th string on the 4th fret with pinky, 4th fret of the 5th string. Then this first finger comes off the D and goes up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and then go back to the D and play the open A string. So the progression is, okay, so okay, then we play an E minor 7th or a partial G chord, whichever one you call it. So just, it's like keeping this finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and putting your first finger up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string again, and then back to the D, and then back to the partial G chord or E minor 7th, and then just move this finger down to the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and you've got an A7 sus4 with an open A string. Okay, and that's basically the chord sequence of the first bit. Okay, so it goes, I'll play it slowly for you. The tinsmiths and steel workers were in demand far across the ocean in America's land. Got that? So it's just the sequence I've just shown you. Okay, so to play it in context, tinsmiths and woodworkers were in demand far across the ocean in America's land. Okay, then we start the second half of the verse. It's very, very similar. Starts the same. D. He had a progression on the 4th fret of the 5th string, pinky, to 2nd fret, then we're up to that partial G chord again, D. This time we go straight to the A7 sus4 and then back to the D. So that second half is D, progression down to the A, then the E minor 7th stroke G chord to D, and then back to the A7 sus4, open A string, 5th string, and then the D. So that's the two halves of the verse, okay? And that's basically everything you need to play the song, because the whole song is just played like that. The chorus is the same chords, but it's sung differently, okay? So let's go through it from the beginning, okay? Slowly. Tinsmiths and steel workers were in demand far across the ocean in America's land. He had a family that he couldn't fail, set off on his own from old country Wales. Start again. One more will still work and standing in line, work every moment, save every dime, sending your wife or your pay in the mail, to bring love for children from old country Wales. Okay, so exactly the same as the first verse, and then it goes into the chorus, leaving your homeland, and it's exactly the same chord sequence, but it's sung differently. It goes quite high. Leaving your homeland. It's exactly the same chord sequence again. So, that just doubles up. At the end of the song he just repeats that partial G, D, A7 sus4, D, just repeats the last line, okay, where it goes okay, on the old country way, just repeats the last line basically, okay, and that's it. That's all there is in the song. It's just more verses and choruses, okay. So let's just do what I did earlier on. I'll do the intro, the first two verses and a chorus for you, okay? Play it all together, hopefully. Tinsmiths and steel workers were in demand far across the oceans in America's land. He had a family that he couldn't set up on his own from the old country Wales. Almost steel workers standing in line, work every moment, save every dime, send people like over the mail, come up, bring the children from old country Wales. Land is laid in your heart, families and loved ones should not be apart. Up your hopes and new life will live, the strength of your soul is in old country Wales. Something like that, you get the idea. Well, thanks very much for watching and listening for that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.